till the smallest time.
Wow.
True as it can be. Barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly. Just a little chance, small to say the least, but a little scared. Neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast. Ever just the same. Ever a surprise. Ever as before, and never just as sure as the sun will rise. Oh, 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 till the swans fly. Ooh, till the swans song. Bittersweet or strange, finding you can change, learning you were till there's all this time, song is all that's right. Beauty and the
Marcelito Pomoy! Heidi!
Marcelito.
Hello.
I know this is the third time that you've performed in front of us,
Yes,
but
yes.
it just never gets old. Like when those voices are all coming out and it's like so many voices inside of your body, it is just incredible over and over and over again.
Thank you.
And I can feel it from the reaction from the audience too. I don't know, have you guys heard him before? It's so amazing. And you're also very, very smart because you always pick songs that we all know and love so we can kind of follow and we know what it sounds like. And you do it so well, it's incredible.
Thank you.
Howie!
Oh, Marcelito, when I first saw you, you blew me away because it was the surprise of it all. Like, we don't expect both voices to come out of one person. And I thought, is this a gimmick? And then the second time I saw you, I enjoyed it just as much,
Yeah.
if not more. And I feel the same thing about tonight. You're making the right choices on the right song.
Yeah.
Great job tonight.
Thank you so much.
Alicia!
Marcelito, the song choice was perfect. And I actually think that you've upped your game from the last time we heard you sing. The high notes on that song were beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely nailed it tonight, and I couldn't be happier for you. Love you.
Thank you.
Simon!
You're a very nice, very talented guy, I gotta tell you. You really, really are. And this was even better than the last performance you did. Much, much better. However, if it was my choice, on a night like this, I would have done something less predictable, which would have...
predictable? Sorry. How was that predictable?
The songs he's chosen, they're very safe, they're very kind of, you know, I get it, they're popular songs, but I just think on tonight, if he had done something out of his comfort zone, like a shock to everybody, like, oh my God, he's chosen this song, that could have given you another moment, because I think you've got a massive career in front of you. I really, really do.
I agree. Good luck tonight, Marcelito. Let's hear it for Marcelito Pomoy!